We take care of the abused, the people that are in crisis, the homeless, abused children, people living with AIDS, elderly people. We offer them services, help them get jobs, help put food on the table. Even in times of crisis, Hurricane Sandy, we were out there on the front lines volunteering our time in the shelters, going to see about clients, going to see if you're okay. Do you need a place to stay? Do you need some more blankets? When a lot of us was displaced as well, but we came in. You're cutting back on programs, you're cutting back on benefits. Well, I can barely feed my family. Okay, it's been a struggle for me, and imagine someone who's been unemployed. Imagine someone who's had their benefits cut off.
Every day, my colleagues and I investigate reports of abuse and/or neglect and ensure that the children of New York City are safe. We make home visits, we go to court, we go to schools, we go to medical facilities.
People depend on us a lot. Children depend on us mostly. Families depend on us. Believe it or not, even though sometimes people view us as the boogeyman, sometimes we go into homes and there are families who are disenfranchised, who have been without services for years, and we go into that home and we provide those services and kind of stabilize those families.
It's weekends, it's holidays, it's nights, it's Christmas, it's New Year's. We're open every day.
We are New York, and we definitely are a major part of the community, not only in working and ensuring the safety of the community, but we're a part of this community because we live in these communities. So, you know, we suffer through the same things that the New York community suffers through.
With my agency, Department of Homeless Services, my department is Emergency Operation and Security. We provide the shelter system throughout the 5 boroughs, and in situations like Hurricane Sandy, we operated the evacuation shelters in all the boroughs. My members and I are very passionate about New York City. We're New Yorkers. We're mothers, we're sisters, we're your neighbors, and we're New Yorkers just like you, and we're out there doing our job so you can go about your life to do your job. We're the grunts, we're the boots on the ground, but you'll be happy to see us in those emergencies.
It is important to be part of a labor union because unfortunately we might care, but management doesn't. The mayor doesn't.
Our union sticks up for us and ensures that we're treated right, just how we ensure that the children that we service are treated right. Our union protects our rights and speaks up for us on major issues, ensures that we're safe.
It's great to know that when you turn around, that you have someone there that's saying, I'm willing to help you in every way possible.
I always thought it was important to be part of a union because I grew up in a union family. My mom was a shop steward, my dad was a shop steward, and just being part of a union means that you're protecting the rights of those who deserve those rights and those people who work hard.
We need the next administration, the next mayor, to understand what we do and what we're about. We need him to understand, or her to understand, that we also need a raise, we need a contract, because our workloads keep going up, the number of employees that we have keep going down, but yet our salary remains the same.
I think the mayor needs to understand, whoever that may be, that we do work hard and that we're dedicated to keeping the city running, and that we're not just trying to get a free ride, that we want definitely, you know, that we are part of the city and we want the city to be better than what it is.
We haven't had a raise in 4 years. We do care. You know, people that are still coming to this job, they care. They care about their family, they care about the people that they help.
Labor is there to support the city, and we need to support union workers.